My name is Siti Numaisara binti Zulkarnain. I'm 12 years old.
Alright, thank you. So, how many people are there in your family, and who do you live with? How many people?
7.
Okay, so who do you live with?
With my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, my sister, my brother.
So how many your brother and sister?
My sister have 2 and brother 2.
2. Alright, thank you. Right, so the third question is, what do you want to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I want to be a chef
Okay, why?
because I like cooking.
Okay, what is a food that you can cook? Example what? What is the menu that you can cook at your home? Tell me.
Egg.
Fried egg. Okay. Only fried egg?
No.
No. Other?
Fried chicken, fries, nugget, soup, mushroom.
That's all. Alright, okay, thank you. Okay, for the next part is I'll give you 3 pictures. Okay. Okay, so you can have your time to think, to see the picture and think what is the best answer that can you answer. What is the best answer that you can give to me? Okay, so look at the picture A. Can you explain how clothes are made? From the picture A. Okay, tell me what is the process?
Jeans.
Okay. What is the process of making clothes that shown in the picture A? Okay, tell me. Okay, in the picture A, what do you think? What is the product that were made?
The name. Clothes.
Okay, closer. Okay, tell me what is the process? The first, the second, third, like that.
First
Okay.
is a harvest cotton.
Okay.
Second, make yarn. Third, make fabric. Last, sewn into clothes.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright. Okay, next, the picture B. Look at the picture B. Okay, what is this? What is the menu?
Spaghetti.
Alright. Okay, what is it made of?
Flour.
Okay. Other ingredients to make spaghetti? Tengoklah gambar. Look at the picture, so you can have an idea.
The sauce.
Okay. Next.
And the
Leaf. What is the what is the menu? Spaghetti what?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Alright, spaghetti bolognese. Not carbonara. No. Okay, thank you. Okay, what is please look at the picture C. Okay. Okay. What is your opinion? Which vehicle is the fastest? What is the fastest?
Helicopter.
Okay. Okay, helicopter. Okay, why?
Because in the air at
Tell. Just tell. Just explain. Make your sentence.
Because it didn't have a jam.
Okay. Other than that, Ada reason? No. No more. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. This is part 3. So you need to give your opinion. Okay. The first question is, do you think it is better to travel by bus or by taxi in your town? Give 2 reasons for your choice.
Bus.
Okay.
Because the bus is big.
Okay. Big. And another reason?
And many people can.
Okay. Many people can.
Into the bus.
Okay, okay, thank you. And next question is, what do you think causes air pollution? Give 2 causes. Okay, 2 causes. Air pollution. Sweater? What do you think causes air pollution? Air pollution. Okay. I'll explain to you. Okay. Example that you smell something like unpleasant. Smell like very very not good. Not good. Like you smell what? Like you are okay. Okay, you go to the town. Okay, there are many vehicles. So what do you think that causes air pollution in the town? You go to imagine you go to the town. There are very many vehicles, many people. So this thing can cause the air pollution. So what do you think?
Where?
No. What do you think? What is the reason that can cause air pollution around us?
Because
no idea. Okay, it's okay. Okay, next 9. What will you do? What will you do if you saw your friend is looking money in the class during recess time? Okay, please answer that related to the cover. Okay, what will you do?
I will take the money and I ask to all who this money.
Okay, you take the money. Why you take the money? Okay, are you understand the questions? So during the recess or the break time, okay, after Hafazan class, so there are one friend, your friend is missing her money, and your friend is looking her money in the class. So what will you do if you saw your friend is searching the money in the class?
I will help my friend to searching the money.
Okay. Okay, give one kafah value. What do you think?
When we help some people, we can get reward from Allah.
Alright. What is kind of the reward? What example the reward that we can get from Allah? Example what?
Pahala.
Hey, this in Malay. What kind of the reward? Or other than that? No idea. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you.